In this video, we will be answering the question, how do you send stars on Monopoly Go? If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Monopoly Go. Now to go ahead and send stars, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom, and in the bottom right hand corner, you want to press onto the album icon just down here. So I just want to note that in order to send stars, you actually need to have duplicates of certain stickers. So if you click onto any of the sets, so let's press onto this one for example, you can see I've got a few duplicates. So you can see the ones that have like +1 and +2, I currently have duplicates of. As you can see, these stickers are worth 1 star. So what you can actually do is press onto any of the ones that you have a duplicate for, and you're going to see an orange button at the bottom which says send to friend. Now you can do this daily up to 5 times. So in other words, you can send 5 stickers every single day. And all you want to do is press send to friends. So what it's going to do is send this sticker and effectively send them 1 star. So you press the orange button, then you need to go ahead and select your friend from the list. Once that's done, just press the green continue button at the bottom, and that's going to go ahead and send the sticker to your friend, and in turn send the stars that that sticker is worth. So I hope that answers the question on how would you send stars on Monopoly Go. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. And if this video did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.